You too, what's up? So, got the SRT valance in, man. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get this on there. And then hopefully in the morning, we can go get some good tips. Get rid of those things. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I cut the camera on a couple times just to show y'all like the main parts. Like if you wanna do this, you know, yourself, that way you'll know how to take all this apart back here. So give me a second, I'll cut the camera back on in a little bit. All right, y'all, so far, let's see, we got one screw here and then another one here. This is my first time doing this as well, so I'm kind of learning as I go, but I would assume the rest of the snaps are inside of the wheel well. So I'm gonna go ahead and check this out, see how, well, I'm gonna unscrew those and then see like what else is hanging it up, and then this bumper just unsnaps. So she'll be able to, once I undo the wheel well, just take it off from there. So, and get my license plate off. All right, so we got the screws out the bottom. Next thing you gotta do to get behind this panel is pop these off. You know, I got the little tool for it. It's pretty simple. Just put it in there, boom, pop them off. And you peel this back, and there is a screw that's right here. I already took it out, but you can use a 10 mil to get that out of there. And it's just the same process for changing this LED right here. Just pulling this back, and then the bumper from there, it just unsnaps, man, which will give you access to the LED. Yeah, that was the one. That was what was holding it. That'll come completely loose. And this is a 7 mil. You can get that bottom one right there with a 7 mil. All right, and once you got those, you should be able to just pull it right on. There we go. Now there is another a wire inside of the bumper. I think a flathead should get it off. Yes, it's in there pretty good underneath your light, so just gotta pull it, and there it is, man. So we got the shock absorber in here. So this will have to, pretty sure that'll have to come off to be able to free this up at the bottom. Yep, and then that's the other wire that I was talking about. All right, let's get to it. All right, give a little update as I go. It's actually 3 torque screws, and those are T25s. Yeah, so 2 torque screws, those are T25s. Got one on that side and then one right there. And yeah, this will come right up. Alright, so next, okay, you got this red here. These are the reflectors on the back. And I'm guessing these clips are really what's just holding it. So yeah, let's get those out of there. All right, guys, new diffuser is on. Just got all the clips pushed back through. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Torx back in. And then there's 4 clips at the bottom. It's these. Go ahead and pop those back in. And then put this shock absorber back on, and then that's a wrap, man. Really pretty simple. All right, just a little recap. Got the pins back in, all 3 of those. Got the Torx screws in, and we got the pins at the bottom. There's 4 of those. So it's ready to go back on now. All right, guys, that is the finished product.